Not receiving notifications on your iPhone? Here's a complete step-by-step guide to fix it. First, check focus mode. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Tap on Focus. If Do Not Disturb is enabled, turn it off. Now swipe down from the top left to check your notification center. Still not showing? Let's adjust display settings. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap Notifications. Under Display As, make sure it's set to Stack. This format helps group alerts properly. Still not working? Set Show Previews to Always. In Settings, Notifications, Show Previews, tap and select Always. Now go back and swipe down from the top left to test again. If notifications still don't appear, check for iOS updates. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, and install any available update. Still having issues? Try a force restart. Press Volume Up, then Volume Down, then hold the side button. Don't slide to power off, keep holding until the Apple logo appears. This won't erase anything, it just reloads system processes. If all else fails, reset network settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and confirm. Note this removes saved Wi-Fi and VPNs, but not personal data. After that, notifications should be working again. Follow for more quick iPhone fixes, and let us know what tutorial you want next.